Hello everyone, hope you're well. It's your girl once again. Thank you so much for joining us today. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Here we learn how to grow our hair using home remedies, how to look good on our face, and also how to keep fit on our bodies using home remedies. The remedies we use or the ingredients that we use, they are things that are available in the market or the supermarkets next to us. So welcome to today's video. We are going to learn how to grow our hair using onions, which are very good in growing our hair, and also they are very good in strengthening our hair and also keeping our scalp very healthy. So join with me as we prepare these remedy today, and also as we learn how to apply it on our scalp and also on our hair, and also as we learn the benefits one by one. So thank you so much for joining. If you're with me until there, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also in the comment section, remember to write a yes if you would wish us to continue on learning how to grow our hair, how to keep our skin glowing, and also how to keep our body fit using home remedies. So thank you so much. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's video. We are going to look at onion, and as we have said, onions, we are going to make a juice out of them, onions. And we said in this channel we learn how to grow our hair, how to glow the skin, how to keep fit our body using home remedies that you are able to get them in the nearest market or at the shop or supermarket that is next to you. Other things like onion, we interact with them in our kitchen each and every day. So onions are very essential for our hair growth, and also they have great benefits for our hair. And on this video I'm going to use the onions together with its peel, because also the peel have its own benefits. It has its benefits, so we don't need to peel it off. So we are in this video we are going to use like 5 onions, not small, not so big, medium size, 5 onions. So we are going to cut them into pieces. Follow with me as we prepare this, and as I tell you all the benefits that you're going to acquire by using this juice on your hair. So one of the things you'll find that onions are very good in stimulating the hair growth. They stimulate the hair growth. How do they do that? Onions, they have sulfur, which is very essential in the production of keratin. Keratin, it's the one that it provided protein that helps the hair to grow up. So that sulfur helps to produce it helps in production of the keratin, which keratin helps our hair to grow up because of the protein found in it. So one thing you will also find is that onion also stimulates the hair because they help in circulation of the blood. We say blood circulation on our hair, it's very essential because it helps even when the blood circulates well on our head, on our scalp, that is, it goes even to the follicles. And these onions, the sulfur, we have seen the keratin in it, it provides it by that circulation of blood and it having that protein, it supplies the oxygen to the follicles. And you know, when the follicles are well supplied with the oxygen, the hair has no other choice but to grow. So that is one of the greatest benefits of onion. Another thing is that it prevents, it reduces or it prevents hair fall. So if you have a hair breakage or your hair is falling a lot, onions are very, very good because of the same sulfur we have talked about and antioxidant that are found in onions that helps to strengthen the hair. So you know, when the hair is strengthened, it will not fall. So that is another benefit. It also improves the scalp health. Onions improves scalp health. How do they do this? onion juice have antibacterial and antifungal properties that help prevent scalp infections and dandruffs. So when you see the scalp that does not have infection, when it doesn't have the dandruffs, that is a healthy scalp. And we always say healthy scalp equals to healthy hair and much hair growing. So that is another benefit, that it improves the scalp health. Another thing you'll find about onion, they enhances the strength and the thickening of the hair. We have said the same sulfur helps the hair to strengthen. When the hair is strengthened, it will not fall, and also it becomes more thicker. For a healthy hair, it's very thicker, so it helps to strengthen. Onions help to strengthen and also to thicken the hair. Another thing is that it prevents early graying. Imagine, onions prevent early graying. If you have white hairs, onions will help. Or even if you have not started experiencing white hair, which is very common nowadays, onions will help you to prevent your hair from turning white or from graying early. So onions are very good. That is those are some of the benefits of onion. So we have already cut our onion into small pieces. This is the preparation. You take your onions, you can take like 5 or 6, 7 or 10, depending on the amount of juice that you want to make. For me, I do not want a lot of juice. As I always tell you, I like use producing my juice or my home remedies regularly. I do not like keeping it for long, so I make just enough. So I've used just 5 pieces of onions, which are in medium size. So after cutting the pieces into small pieces, we are going to blend this. We are going to blend this so that we can get the juice from there. And after blending, we will come back here and say on what next. What are we going to do next after blending the juice? So let's blend this, and then we come back to the next step. So our onion is here already blended. As you can see, it's very well blended. So this, now we are going to sieve, or we are going to strain out the water, because that is what we need. So on the next thing we're gonna need something like a wig cap. We're gonna need a wig cap or a head cap if you have one, this one, or you can use a cloth that is it's good for you to blend. So then you will need a jar. So after taking our jar, we are going to place our wig cap or our head cap on the jar like this. Like that. Then we are going to transfer our onion juice, our onions here. Then we are going to strain all the juice. So we take out all the onions, the blended onions. After taking out our blended onion, you can see already we are getting our juice here. So this is one of the easiest ways. So we are going to squeeze this. So we squeeze all our water, our onion juice out. You just use your hand to squeeze it all out. If you have a wider jar, it will be easier for you to squeeze, because mine is narrow on the mouth. So that's why some juice is pouring out. But we are getting the main. So we squeeze out all our water. And that's it. That's it. So you can see this one, the remainings of the onions. So these ones we don't need them anymore, so I'm just going to throw them away. Then I will wash my cape for next use in making my onion juice. So this one I will throw it away. Whatever we need here, it's the onion juice. So you can see, look at that juice. This is onion juice. One thing I have done, my scalp is somehow irritated by onion when I make the onion juice alone. So what I usually do, I usually add a small amount of water, like 100 ml of water. That is what I usually add on the onions when I am blending. So if you taste your scalp with the onion and you feel there is some irritations, it's always good to dilute with some water, like 100. If you have not used a lot of onions, you can dilute like with 100 ml of water, like I have done. Another thing, if you have essential oils, you can add this here. If you're not okay with the onion smell, you know how the smell, it's very strong. So most people are not okay with that smell. So what you usually do, if you have some essential oils, rosemary essential oils, tea tree essential oils, alma essential oils, you can add some drops on your onion juice to do away a bit away with the smell. It will not go away completely, but it will do away with it a little bit than it is without adding the essential oils. But if you're not, you are okay with the smell, you're okay with the onion alone, it's not irritative to your scalp, so you can use it, you can blend it without water, so you can use it without any essential oils. Like for me, I'm not going to add any essential oils. I'm still okay, because I'm not going to last with this one for long. So after here, you transfer this into a spray bottle. If you have a spray bottle, you transfer to a spray bottle. Then you will be spraying this 3 times in a week. You can do 3 times a week. When you spray on your hair, whether you have braided your natural hair or your hair it's open, you can just spray on the scalp and also on the hair. You let it sit on the hair and the scalp for like 10 to 15 minutes. There are people who also do 20 minutes. It depends with the scalp how it is coping with the onions. So if you're good, you can go to 20 minutes, then you rinse off. So this water, you can do it twice or thrice in a week, and I am telling you, you're gonna enjoy this thing we call onions. They work like fire on a bush. It works very well, and most of the people do not like it because of the smell, and the smell, most of the time it's the smell. But I have told you how to do away with the smell, even if it will not go completely, but it will deal with it a little bit. So add essential oils for that. So you will transfer this into your spray bottle. Be spraying 2 to 3 times in a week. If you're using this one for one time, you can go with your jar in your bathroom, then you pour it on your scalp, massage for like 3, 4, 5 minutes. Then let it settle on your hair and the scalp for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you rinse it off. So if you make, like for me, I'm making it for one time, so I'm just making it for today. So this one, I'm going to pour it on my hair in the bathroom, then I massage for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, then I rinse it off. And that's how onion is. So after rinsing it, you have to use a good shampoo, a good smelling shampoo, so that now you can deal away with the smell when you're washing the hair. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you so much for subscribing. We really appreciate you. We don't take it for granted. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like our video, share share with as many people as you would love to them to see their hair growing. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you want us to continue talking about hair remedies that we can do at home and we grow our hair, do go to the comment section, write yes, so that I can know that I can keep on giving you more remedies for our hair growth. So write yes, let's continue. So thank you so much, guys. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until we see each other on the next video, God bless you. Bye bye.